set up this amazing layout which we call the table dome setup. First, we make sure we polish all the materials needed, and after we make sure we polish or clean all the materials, we proceed to the next step, which is setting the centerpiece as you can see here. This is the vital point or guide so that we can proceed to the next one. And after that, we put the dinner plate, as you cannot see here since we dish out this one. And after that, this is just a guide so that it will not get complicated with setting the cutleries. And after that one, we proceed with the cutleries as you can see in the right side. Here, this is the dinner knife, fish knife together with the soup spoon. And in the left side, you can see the dinner fork, fish fork together with the bread and butter knife. And after that, we proceed setting the dessert spoon and the dessert fork. Dessert spoon and dessert fork. And after that one, after we place all the plates, the cutleries, and the dessert spoon and fork, we proceed with the glassware. Here, which is the water goblet and also the white wine. We put the white wine since it has a fish or fish fork and fish knife. And after that one, we proceed with the centerpieces, which is the salt and pepper together with the tissue holder. And lastly, we dish out the plate so that we can put our napkin folded, which is the bishop hat. And that is how we present or we set up the layout called table dome. Thank you, sir, and God bless.